one trade, $10,000 in profit. Eric from Spydaytrading, which is our teacher, our mentor, he's a Wall Street market wizard. He's not a YouTuber. He's not an influencer. Eric is a professional Wall Street trained trader. And we have the benefit of being taught by him. Nobody else on YouTube, no other person that's learning has the benefit of being taught by a market wizard. His Discord community, it's $3 a month. Feel free to join, check it out, try it for 1 month. You're going to see the difference of what a Wall Street professional versus some YouTuber or influencer. There's a big YouTuber influencer today, TJR. He posted his first trade today of the first full week of January, a $90,000 loss. That is unacceptable as a professional. That's pure gambling. Eric's Discord, 620 pre-market. He gives us a pre-market analysis, what to look out for. Once the trading day starts, he identifies the algorithms, setups, teaching us throughout the day, live commentary. He waited 5 hours for his first full trade. Here's a screenshot of the notes. Be patient, fire up the Qs chart, which is a 20-day moving average, is very important on the Qs or the NASDAQ. The setup is look for an inverse cup to form, then form a head or a handle and take the trade. That is the first setup. Here's a blown up picture of what we're looking for. An inverse cup, price to complete at 688 on SPY. Here is the chart when he posted it. The circles when he posted it. We're looking for an inverse cup to form, complete. So if I move the chart forward, you can see at this point is where the cup, inverse cup, was completed. Now the job for us is to be patient and wait for the handle to form, the inverse handle. Now I'm going to show you Eric's trades. Here's his entry, his first exit, second exit. He reloaded 1249 and he exited the last trade at 251. Here's his screenshot of the trades that he took that he always posts proof time stamped. 211 he took the trade, 242 closed the first leg, and 244 closed the second leg. So that's 30 minutes. Profit is $9,000. He reloaded on the pullback at 1249, exited at 251 for the final 1800, which completed his $10,000 trade. One trade, $10,000. I want to show this because, again, this influencer TJR posted a $90,000 loss, and he has probably 10 times the amount of followers that Eric has. Eric does not show fluff, show Lambos, show $1 million houses. He's a Wall Street professional. He's not a YouTuber. He's not an influencer. If you want to learn from somebody like this, that is Wall Street trained and would never allow himself to lose $90,000, that is unacceptable. That's pure gambling. Feel free to follow the Discord. Check it out. $3 a day. Try it for a month. You'll see the difference between a professional and a gambler.